lidonse licala from March local busy ngil-attenda so makunjalo ke kube indaba ukuthi ngilo ngiya-attenda stress asikho anginankinga lo ngiyahamba ngamalanga wakuye court ngiyaya mina bese kuthiwa silaqala manje selingena ku trial manje lento le icala lami lo ngi-attenda siyaqala ke kuvela the first witness mabefika witness lokuqala malifika lithi no I didn't see uJita egwaza bani emgwaza I heard kuthiwa ugwazo usibanibani mabesho bathi indoda asanga lana ngendaba ukuthi wena uthe uzwe sifuna umuntu obonile thina ukuthi kwenzakala okay bangabe nenkinga naloko hlehliswe futhi la because amanye ama-witness bengekho bekhona leli liyi-1 ngabe nenkinga kuzoba ulento lena kube hambe ngathi kudlule 1 or 2 months futhi kuzovela the 2 guys together. The first guy makefika ngisho lapha lento le ama-witness uzovela the 2 guys bafike lapha lento le ecourt babuze the first guy what happened that day. No, I also didn't see what happened that day. The only thing that happened ngezwe sekuthi ugwazeke usibanibani but lo mjita lo ogwaze lo mjita wayefuna ukungigwaza nami. Babuza manje lapha ecourt ukuthi kanjani ngoba wena uthi zange ubone egwaza lo muntu ngapha lo muntu befuna ukugwaza wena. Bambuza ukuthi wena that day bobuya at mina bengibuya somewhere else I wasn't even there mara lo jita but I know bro mingathi story sakho sikho sharp ngoba nawe ungathi uzovela nezitori eziningi ukuthi bowukhona efuna ukugwaza ngapha manje uthi uyabofika ubuya kwelanda imali endlini nani okay idlule le nto leyo. Then comes the last guy wafika washo story sakhe nani wathi no I had everything on record bengenze i-video yale nto leyo. The video showing me coming back ngiphethe umbese, not showing the first incident ukuthi iqale kanjani fight. It comes back iveza mina ngiphethe umbese that day. Ngibuya endlini ngifika lapha endlini ngishaya lo mfana. It starts from that point. So into eyenza ukuthi mina ngilento lena ngizothola ukugwetshwa ngigwetshwe September 2021. That's where I was found guilty for ukubulala umuntu. That video didn't show ukuqala kwayo fight. The only place it showed when mangibuya endlini ngiphethe isword mina esandleni isikhali. Mangifika lapha ngixabana nalo mfana lo ifight babona lapho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then emva kwalokho I was sentenced on those grounds. They didn't know ukuthi fight iqale phi kwenzakaleni, but uGuy uyasho ukuthi before afike uGuy bekune fight ebeyenzeka. Mina ngirekhode makubuya uJita. But okay akunankinga siyakuzwa lokho kushoyo. Kodwa into esiyibonayo thina naleyo eshoyo thina siyazi leyo ukuthi bokuliwe iqale. Thina sibona leyenzeka manje ukufika kwaGuy. Eyibona lo nto leyo. Hayi ngabi nenkinga naleyo nto leyo. Bangithole guilty on the 21st of September. Bangithole guilty. Ngile boxini ngafike ngasho ukuthi like angeke uhlalunga ngalento leyo ungagwetshwa ungalento leyo ungatestifyanga for yourself. Ubatshene istory sakho ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngathi ngisahleli lapho ngisanake lokho ke kungaba nendaba ukuthi ngiyalento le. Abachazela istory nani kwenzakalani. Ngizogwetshwa nge-22 because on the 21st bangithole guilty and they told me ukuthi I must come back when on the 22 and that time bengingaphandle ngebail nge-21st. Bangifika lapha ngaphakathi bangitshena ukuthi intanga angeke ngisakhona ukuthi ngibuyele back ngaphandle. I must come back tomorrow ila ngihamba khona ngiyolala kuphi eModambi. Mangilala eModambi mangifika the second ngilala ubusuku bakhona The second day I came back, and that's where I got sentenced 15 years. Yeah. So sentence kwami, I served how many years? I served 5 years, 5 years, couple of months in Modambi, until I was moved from Modambi to Iloikop in 2021. 2021, after the passing of my father. After the passing of my father, I went to the head of a prison, Yase Modambi. I asked them to be moved closer to home because of sequencing incident ukuthi ngishonela ubaba. So they delayed, they took a long time ukuthi bangisiza ngayo le nto leyo, ukuthi bangitransfere ukuthi ngibe seduzane nasekhaya. Mangizofika eLoikopo, and the time abelingakabekwa ke ngaleso sikhathi leso. Mangizofika lapho eLoikopo, ngibacela eLoikopo ukuthi bengisacela ukuthatha ile nto le transfer la kule nto le kuzongcwatshelwa khona ubaba. Bangitshela ukuthi they can't transfer me ukuthi ngiye emncwabeni ngendaba yokuthi kusase under i-COVID. So I couldn't go and bury my father. Afike ngahlala the sentence leso sikhathi leso, hlala leso sikhathi until ngize ngiphume ngo September the 5th this year. It's my first time wearing orange. Seeing other people bahleli lapha but still basatrayela, and me being sentenced, ibabhlungu. Not knowing ukuthi how are you going to serve a sentence, because they only told you ukuthi uzobe serve a sentence ye 15 years. I'm only thinking of one thing: when am I going to get out of prison? And I'm 25 years. And ngime ekhanda kuduma ini 15 years. Not knowing ukuthi in that 15 years I'll be serving half of 15. I wasn't told ukuthi kumele ngenzeni nani. So ngiyangena mangiqeda ukungena ngaphakathi, bafike bangithathela impahla lezi bengigqokile bazifaka ebhegini, faka ebhegini, ngibe nalento ukuthi banginikeza impahla ezi-orange. Anginikeza impahla e-orange, ngabe nenkinga nayo ilento lena ukuthi sengigqokile nani. But enhlizweni inhliziyo ibhlungu inhliziyo, to a point ukuthi ngithe mangifika eSailini, the first thing I did was cry. I cried isikhathi eside isikhathi lesi, ukuthi I was saying impilo yami iphelile, my life has been finished, because 15 years is too much. When I get out of prison, I will be 40 years uphuma kwami ejele. Lento ingangiphathi kahle lento lena, ngisho ukuthi yane uphuma sengimdala ejele. Hlale ngabe nenkinga, just ukuthi ngithi ngisahleli, the guys that I met laphana, ngibe nenhlanhla ngithola amajita right, not amajita lento le apetayo. I found this guy called Jacob. Jacob was a guy, lo jita loyana, angiphilile na Jacob kahle. Yeah, in Morambi. Phile kahle na Jacob, wase ngazi uthe twatha noma tsakani nakesho. So that guy ngahlala nayo Jacob, ikhona mara that time ukuthi yazi abantu abakuphatha kahle ejele, abantu abafuna something from you. Lo ngihleli laphayana, into efikayo kuqala kimi enhloko ukuthi what happened to uleto le uChester, Papa Action, into ezinjengalezo. Into efikayo kimi enhloko ukuthi I'm going to be someone's girlfriend, maybe ejele, ngizoshawa ejele. Hayi ngifike ngihlale laphana, hayi it's a different environment there where you'll find people that you do not know. Njengoba labantu njengoba ungabazi labantu laba awubazi ukuthi yini abazicabangayo, indlela abaphila ngayo. Yeah. So njengoba kunjalo wena ngathi uzicabangela wena ukuthi yini ewenzeka kuwo. Just to find ukuthi ngiyabhema ngibhema ugwayi. Ijita ngilitholayo labo phakathi lela bathi uJacob umuntu obhema insango nogwayi. So mangifika kuye basifake sonke eselini eli1 noJacob. Masahleli kanjalo asijwayelane sikhulumisane kulelo sela besilala sibawu4. Besilala sibawu4 kulelo sela lelo. You'll find besibawu3. You'll find oyo1 ulele embedeni lana, omunye ulele embedeni ophezulu. Then I was sleeping on the floor because ngifike vele bekhona lamajita. And that time ijele belisagcwele. 2015 ijele belisagcwele to a way ukuthi yabona awusakhona nokuthi uhlale la ngaphandle ngendlela beligcwele ngakhona ijele that time in 2015. It was the time of iBusasa. iBusasa, there was something that they were doing ngendaba yama inmates, because the more the inmates, the more the money that they get from government. And so kwaba ile nto leyo ukuthi yangena lale khola labempedeni jwayelane noJacob singabe special nani hayi kuzoba nesikhathi sokuthi now they going to bazongiklasa bangitshene ukuthi manje how is your sentence going to be served. That's where I found out ukuthi my sentence is no more going to be 15 years. By behavior engizoba nayo ejele, my sentence can be 7.5. Okay. Because sengizwe le nto leyo sekumele manje ngenze njani ngiphathe kahle until kuze kube njani kuze kube lo 7.5 years. But in the meantime bengibhizi ngenza ama-appeal, ama-petition, because I wanted maybe benganankinga ukuthi ngitholakale guilty, but inkinga yami ukuthi maybe bangangihlisela i-sentence yami to a sentence maybe elento le maybe buma 10 years into njengale ngiyazi ukuthi maybe ngaseva lo 5 years bese ngiyaphuma. Hayi thola ukuthi afaila wonke ama plans wami okuzama ukuthi ngehliswe i-sentence ngabe nenkinga. Babeqeda kungiklasa lapho ke bangisa kwenye isection abathi kuse block 1. Block 1 it's for people that are i-sentence zabo athi 15 to upwards. Yeah. Then emva kwaloko ngathi mangisahleli lapho to just find a guy yaseKaslami Street eVusmuza. YaseKaslami ababiza ngoGandres. Gandres was sentenced in January 2015. So makunjalo kungabe nenkinga stress asikho. Hlale noGandres singabe nenkinga akunamuntu ongiphazamisana nana sihlale to a point ukuthi lapho ngihlale 1 year 8 months bazongisusa futhi lapho babengisusa bangiklasela kuphi I section. I section it's where ngafike ngahlala khona ngathi nakhona another 1 year fike ngahlala khona then kwafika into ukuthi no, because ngihleli lana ayikho into engenzayo, it's better ngihambe ngiqhubeka nesigela. So I went and I studied ngiqhubeka nesigela ngaphusha isigela i-adult school i-Abet, phusha isigela until ngazofika ku level 4. Mangifika ku level 4 ngaba nenkinga ukuthi ngiphasa 3 ama subjects. Phasa 3 ngafail amanye ama subjects. Ngaba nenkinga. So lapha bangichazela ukuthi okay, makunjalo ungahamba uyowenza la amanye ama subject uwa-add kule lento le kule 3 onayo. Yeah, ngathi okay inkinga ayikho ke makunjalo. Sahamba sayolento lela ke ngayenza lonto leyo just ukuthi kuzotholakala ukuthi no ngiyaphasa ke lawo 4 lawasele. Manje into engashoda ngayo ukuthi ngikwazi ukwahlanganisa ngiwacombine ngikwazi ukuthola certificate level 4. So kwazoba nale incident evelayo ke yokushona kwetime lami. Ngachifta from kuphi eModampi ngiya eLoyikopo. Mangifika eLoyikopo, finding all different people awade ngingabazi. But into eyangisiza laphana i1 na ilabantu engisuke nabo kuphi eModampi. Engisuke nabo eModampi ngiya kuphi eLoyikopo. Ngafike ngaba nendlela ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuphila ngoba same people ngihamba ngawungena nabo eselini eli1. Sakwazi ukuthi sibe nendlela ukuthi siyaphila mina nabo. Until kuba ile point leyo ukuthi omunye sekebona ukuthi hayi ngcono ngiyesikolweni, omunye ahamba uyosebenza into ezinjengalezo. Kwaba indlela ukuthi sesihlukana ngayo namajita, but during the day besikwazi ukuthi sibonane ngoba bevula bavulela wonke umuntu, sikwazi ukuyobonana kwamanye ama-section. So kwaba yilo ndaba leyo ukuthi ngahlala ke eLoyikopo till the point ukuthi ngizophuma. I can say this, I've fought maybe 4 times actually. 4 times. My first incident, it was a guy wanting to recruit me for Group Yama 28. And I told him that I do not do those shit. And shokuthi yena wayithatha ngendlela ukuthi ngiyamdisrespect ukuthi ngingafuni ukuba ile nto leyo. So it led to us fighting that day. And we fought. Emva kwaloko kwaba ne-incident ukuthi siyachargewa. And when you get charged in prison, they take like ama-privileges wakho we-visit. So njoba silwa lapho kwaba indaba ukuthi ngiyachargewa lo 6 months, I couldn't go to contact visit. I had to go back ngimafastering. Yeah, a big group. So emva kwaloko sala nake lokho kwangaba nenkinga. Hamba ngayo bayi leyo ndaba leyo. The second one was a guy besingashayisani kahle. Bafake another guy esikafleni esingaphezulu kwalesi ngilala kuso. Lo mjita lo njengoba belele la ngaphezulu. This guy mjita ojimayo naye mara in the head ngathi akabambi kahle. Abe nendlela akakhuluma nayo ngami lapha lento le ephasejini leli passage khona amancane kanjani ama-passage akhona. So kube nendlela esiphikisana ngayo nje la ephasejini. Gcina indaba yakhona ilidela ukuthi angithuke ngomama. Athi msunganyoko lo mjita lona. Ayisuke lapho. I really don't like anyone calling me with my mother. Isuke lapho sesiyalwa ke nojitana. Nakhona still end up ngichargewa futhi. Chargelwa for yona indaba yokulwa futhi leyo. Mara bese iphelile indaba yani ye 6 months leyana bese ngihlalile maybe 1 year neminyaka hlalile. Another incident yayenzeka egroundini sidlala ibhola. Kuthi ibholeni siyachayisana kubishapo ngiyaliwa khona lapha. Indaba yakhona nayiphelele emoyeni igcina yona ingayi kuphi emaphoyiseni kuyochargewa nani. Second, the fourth guy ngijahela ukuya esikoleni. Jaha ukuya esikoleni eModampi ngilate kumele ngiyobhala. Qeda ukuphuma basivulele late ngiqeda ukuphuma ngithi ngiyokwenzani bamba sinkwanyana ngibambe bislami ngiyiphuzela. This gigantic Nigerian guy. Mile umjita weNigeria lapha emabhodweni ukhalela ibisi imilk bamthelele ibisi bamthelele ilento lena baqala bamthelele ibisi waliphuza wala full emva kwaloko bamthelele itiye uyazimix zibe u2. This guy but manje ayigcwali iziyofika lephezulu kuya complain uthi ucela ukuthi bayigcwalise. This guy akafuni ngijahile ngiyadlula chitaba ngicela ungithi khap lapha. This guy avela thathe ini le cup yakhe ayibeke la ngaphezulu kwecup yami. Ngithi chita manje wenzani? Ethi I'm not talking to you when I'm talking to the guy that's serving the toilet. Yazi ngivele ngiphakamele ushukela kanjani ngikwade that time ngingabuzi ngempama angisuka lapho thathe leli lento ngivele ngisale sengithatha nale bisi ngiziphuzela lona ngiphume kanti ngizobizwa ngiseklasini echita abuya la yazi so wenzeni la ngaphakathi angithi ngithi no yazi ngaba nenhlanhla yento eyi1 ngithe mangingena lapha ngathola vele sekunabantu vele abamile lapha ngaphaya bathi lahlupha le Nigeria leli yebo lonto leyo that's how engingaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngingachajwa ngendaba ukuthi nje mangifiyela lapha amaphoyisa bayangazi ukuthi ngumjida oziphatha grand nani babezwa ukuthi lo mjida lo bathi uyahlupha kwaba ile nto leyo ukuthi hayi indlela engisurvive ngayo ngabuyela back eclassini ngawuba grand hey kwazoba the last one ke the last one was very hectic because in prisons amajita sinamafoni sifona ngawo nani just kuzofind out ukuthi ngithe mangithi ngisendela enye intombazana request via Facebook kwazoba an incident ukuthi lo cherry lawyer it's one of the members ezisebenza under imodampi mangivula under amalento le wakhe lapha kubhalwe ukuthi married with the guy called mangithi ngiyambheka lo iphoyisa iprison order la sectionini so I don't say anything kule nto leyo yabo kube nzima nokuthi ngitshene nawe ugiyela ukuthi vele ngiboshiwe yabona desijengalezo hayi ngabe nenkinga sikhulume noJerry hayi ngabe nenkinga to your point ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngoba umlomo wami mina ngikhona ukuthi ngizibambe sometimes ezinye izinto masizixoxela saxoxa namajita hayi ujita umjito grand khade li grand lizela vele lidakele esipanini lafika istress asikho hayi sayixoxela athini mina mfethu umfazi wami engimshadile mina uDaki amajita angayikhola le nto le ngithi hayi bafethu awuqinisile ngibonile ku Facebook yakhe so kube nalo incident leyo lo incident ilile kwenye into enkulu kakhulu sikhulume ngayo usho ukuthi ayitholisise nani indaba ze Facebook nani abuye nabanjani nabakhulu mayebuya nabakhulu ngiyamtshela anginafoni mina ningazongisukela lo muntu angisukela lo muntu lona ifoni yami bayithathile ngithi last ifoni yami ngiyamtshela ukuthi ifoni le bengiyisebenzisa kudala ngambona lapho Nigeria nalo umfazi wakhe loyo ngamona khona lapho so kwaba yilo incident leyo yasolve amalento le abakhulu basejele indaba yakho yaphelele emoyeni but as long ifoni ithathiwe inkinga ayikho kanti bese ngisebenzisa enye ifoni mangibona leyo nto leyo but hayi akunankinga ke babuze ukuthi wachajwa ngayiphone ngithi angazi lutho mina ukuthi kwenzakalani ngendaba zefoni ngoba ngiyakhumbula bayithatha ifoni nani sisheshwa ilanga la khona baba nenkinga ngazi angibabuya basicharge noma kwenzakalani okay akuna stress ke lokho abaphathi bangabi nenkinga to a point ukuthi uJita bese ngigwajisa uJita bese ngithreathina efuna ungishaya nani ethi uzongithengela abantu ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani bazongishaya lese bazongigwazela eselini. So this other day siyabizwa ngihamba ngiyotshena abokapteni ukuthi na inkinga engibhekana nayo mina la esectionini iphoyisa elisoso lingigwajisa ngendaba yokuthi mina ngabona umfazi wakhe enomfazi wakhe ku Facebook nani indaba yakhona yezwa kweza abaphathi la safika sayikhuluma indaba yakhona so mina angifeel sharp awakhuluma mathanda phambi kwamaphoyisa phambi kwalama other amalento officials so njoba kunjalo kwaba indaba ukuthi nanginenkinga ke ukuthi ne short lento le temper ngivele ngingabuzi ngikhulule phambi kwamalento le abokapteni khona lapho kiki sesiyashayana khona lapho phambi kwamalento le sekuyakhuzwa lapha nani babona ukuthi ayingcono simchief uBoy simse kwenye section la ngizoshifta khona ngisiwe khona lento le F section before ngizohamba ngiye kuphi ngiyelento le ngiyelo igobo
abazakushaya babize EST
ne because angithi abaphathi bebekhona they saw ukuthi kwenzakalani